If you have an old laptop or desktop collecting dust in a corner, you've probably wondered whether it still has any useful life left in it. Many people assume that once a computer struggles with modern versions of Windows, it's basically finished. The system becomes slow, updates take forever, applications freeze, and even basic tasks feel frustrating. But what if there was a lightweight operating system designed specifically to bring aging hardware back to life? That's exactly where AntiX Linux enters the conversation. And today, we're taking a deep look at whether it truly deserves its reputation as one of the best operating systems for old PCs. AntiX Linux has been around for years and has built a loyal community among users who value speed, efficiency, and simplicity. Unlike many modern operating systems that continuously increase their hardware requirements, AntiX takes the opposite approach. It is designed to run on machines with very limited resources, including computers that are more than a decade old. In a world where software often seems to demand more RAM, more storage, and faster processors every year, AntiX feels like a refreshing reminder that computing doesn't always need to be heavy. One of the first things that stands out about AntiX is its incredibly low system requirements. While many Linux distributions recommend at least 4 GB of RAM for a comfortable experience, AntiX can run with a fraction of that. Users have successfully installed it on systems with as little as 256 MB or 512 MB of RAM. That level of efficiency is almost unheard of today. For owners of aging netbooks, old office PCs, or forgotten laptops, this immediately makes AntiX a very attractive option. The installation process is surprisingly straightforward. AntiX provides a graphical installer that guides users through the necessary steps without overwhelming them with technical complexity. Although the interface may not look as modern or polished as some mainstream Linux distributions, it gets the job done efficiently. The installer focuses on functionality rather than visual flair, which perfectly reflects the overall philosophy of the operating system itself. Once the installation is complete and the system boots for the first time, the speed difference becomes obvious. On older hardware where Windows may take several minutes to start, AntiX can often reach the desktop in a matter of seconds. Applications launch quickly, menus respond instantly, and the entire system feels remarkably lightweight. Even on hardware that many people would consider obsolete, AntiX manages to provide a surprisingly smooth computing experience. A major reason for this impressive performance is AntiX's choice of desktop environment and window managers. Instead of using resource-heavy environments like GNOME or KDE Plasma by default, AntiX relies on lightweight alternatives such as IceUM and Fluxbox. These environments consume very little memory while remaining functional and responsive. The result is an operating system that prioritizes performance over visual effects, allowing every available system resource to be used efficiently. Of course, some users may initially find the interface a little dated. AntiX does not aim to mimic modern Windows or Mac OS designs. Instead, it embraces a traditional desktop layout focused on practicality. For users who appreciate minimalism, this can actually be a strength. Everything is easy to access, system resources remain low, and there are no unnecessary animations slowing things down. However, users looking for a flashy desktop experience may need some time to adjust. One of the most impressive aspects of AntiX is how well it handles everyday computing tasks despite its lightweight nature. Web browsing, document editing, email management, media playback, and file organization all work surprisingly well. Modern websites can still be demanding, especially on very old hardware, but AntiX does everything possible to maximize performance. Combined with lightweight applications, even aging systems remain useful for daily productivity tasks. Another area where AntiX shines is customization. Linux users often enjoy tailoring their systems to fit their exact needs, and AntiX provides plenty of flexibility. Users can change window managers, install alternative applications, customize themes, and modify nearly every aspect of the operating system. While beginners may not immediately explore these options, advanced users will appreciate the freedom available within the system. Software availability is another strong point. Since AntiX is based on Debian, it benefits from access to one of the largest software repositories in the Linux world. Thousands of applications can be installed with just a few commands or through package management tools. Whether you need a web browser, Office suite, media player, programming tools, or educational software, chances are it's readily available. This ensures that users are not sacrificing functionality simply because they are using a lightweight distribution. One feature that deserves special attention is AntiX's live USB capabilities. The distribution includes powerful tools that allow users to run the operating system directly from a USB drive without installation. This is incredibly useful for troubleshooting computers, testing hardware, or carrying a portable operating system wherever you go. In fact, many users rely on AntiX as a rescue system because of its speed and reliability. Security is another important consideration. AntiX benefits from Debian's strong reputation for stability and security. Regular updates help protect users from vulnerabilities, while the Linux ecosystem itself remains less targeted by malware compared to many mainstream operating systems. Although no operating system is completely immune to security threats, AntiX provides a solid foundation for safe computing when maintained properly. However, AntiX is not perfect, and it's important to discuss its limitations. Users coming directly from Windows may face a learning curve. Certain tasks that are simple in Windows may require different approaches in Linux. Additionally, some proprietary software applications are unavailable or require alternative solutions. While many users quickly adapt, those expecting a completely identical Windows replacement may encounter some initial challenges. The visual presentation is another area where AntiX may divide opinions. The developers clearly prioritize performance over aesthetics. While the interface is functional and efficient, it does not deliver the polished appearance seen in distributions like Ubuntu or Linux Mint. Fortunately, users who enjoy customization can improve the appearance significantly through themes and configuration options, but it may require some effort. Gaming is another area where expectations should remain realistic. AntiX can run lightweight games and older titles quite well, especially on hardware appropriate for those games. However, if you are hoping to transform a 15-year-old laptop into a modern gaming machine, no operating system can perform miracles. Hardware limitations still exist regardless of software optimization. AntiX excels at maximizing available resources, but it cannot create performance that the hardware simply cannot provide. What makes AntiX particularly impressive is its philosophy. Instead of encouraging users to constantly upgrade their hardware, it focuses on extending the life of existing computers. This approach saves money, reduces electronic waste, and gives older machines a second chance. In an era where technology is often treated as disposable, AntiX demonstrates that efficient software can still make aging hardware genuinely useful. After spending time with AntiX Linux, it becomes clear why so many enthusiasts recommend it for older systems. The combination of low resource usage, fast performance, strong stability, extensive software availability, and excellent customization creates a package that is difficult to ignore. While it may not be the most visually impressive distribution on the market, it succeeds brilliantly in its primary mission, making old computers usable again. So, is AntiX Linux the best operating system for old PCs? For many users, the answer is very close to yes. Few operating systems can match its ability to run efficiently on extremely limited hardware while still providing a practical desktop experience. If your goal is to revive an aging computer, extend the life of older hardware, or simply experience one of the most lightweight Linux distributions available, AntiX deserves a place at the very top of your list. It proves that with the right software, even computers that seem outdated can still have plenty of life left in them.